Hello guys, welcome to John Stream Tech. In today's video, we are going to see how we can set up our, our school website for easy navigation. For easy navigation. Now we've already made our school website. We've already made our school website, and we can now set our navigation. Let's view how our school website is looking right now. This is how it's looking. Though we have to change some things. So if you watch our previous video, we show you guys how to add this this login form, this login form. This login form and password. We show you guys how to do it. Although we never finish setting it up, but we got to somewhere. And I want to also add the register. So how do we set this for using navigation? And to achieve this, we have to navigation. What is navigation? Navigation is all about this going from one page to another, going from one page to another page, to another page, to another page. That's just what navigation is all about. That is what navigation is all about. Now, there are ways you can achieve this. There are ways you can achieve this. First of all, is the pattern, is the theme we've chosen. The theme we've chosen. Is the template we've chosen. First template. Then secondly, how we have chosen the theme. So these are other templates. These are other templates one can actually choose. Like this one is this one is nice. This one is nice. Let's download it. Let's download this. It's provided by Behance. Let's choose the list. Save. What's up? follow us right now, right? We're looking for something free that we can use for now. We're looking for something that we can use for now. Let's search for school free, school free. Let's search for no, no, no. I think we'll try using it. Yeah, this is the one we're using. Okay. No. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll use this one. Let's come to layer. Let's come to layer. This is our layout. This is the sidebar. So we have to include pictures here. We have to upload pictures here. Let's upload let's upload this one. Let's upload this one. Let's see. This just for testing. It's not because that's the right picture to upload here. Just for the sake of testing the website. Global information. But that's just it. So we'll come to layer. I will now do some formatting here. This is where the navigation matters. This is where all the navigations, you can get the navigations and all these things. This is where you can get the navigations and other settings can be gotten here. And got it here. So also you can go to theme. Then click on edit HTML. On edit HTML. This is another way of setting up your navigation. But before going here, make sure that you understand HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's what here is made up of. That was a Zoom. That's what is meaningful. Make sure you understand this thing very well. You understand a little bit of code. You don't need to be a pro. You just understand the basics. And you're good to go. And you're good to go. Yeah. This is so I'm not going to change anything here. So yeah, you can also choose if you know how to customize very well, you can actually choose any template from here. You can choose any template from here and customize it to your choice. All these templates, they are customizable. They're customizable. Especially the one I've customized before by myself is this one. This this one. This Emporium. 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 I've customized this one myself, and the other one I've customized myself. That Emperor was the one that was the first one I customized myself. Then this, I've customized this myself too. So you can really do some changes and do some design and all those stuff. You can do it once you understand how to do it. It's very simple. After all, it was created by somebody, so it's not going to be a big deal if you understand how to customize it and do the customization yourself. So once that is done, you can check for other things. But make sure you don't use too much CSS code. Make sure the CSS code you're using is not too much, because it will really affect the speed of your website. You need your websites to be fast and to be fast. They need to be fast more than anything. So limit the use of the CSS code. Limit the use, then you are good to go. Then you are good to go. So that's how to do this. So once you are done with before going to this thing, make sure you've gone through this one, through this template. Make sure you've gone through this template. Make sure you go through this template. Then once you've done that, make sure you've gone through this layout, set, because that's where you can customize other things. You can change the Facebook followers. You can maybe I want to remove it for you know, so We have official Facebook page. Remove this about me, it's not a personal page. You can put it about all what, just remove it. Just remove it entirely. Then pages, report abuse, yeah. Remove this one. Remove attribution, we have no need for it. Achieve. We have no need for achieve. No. We don't want to show popular posts. We can show future posts. We can show future posts. Then you can do other things. You can do other changes. So once you are done, be remembering to be saving your changes so that it will take effect on your website. You don't want to work and nothing you've done has been saved. Making it to come back again to redo them. You don't have to do it. You have to be very careful on how you leave these pages. So once you've done that, and your work here is done, you can now publish. You can now publish and let your viewers see what you've done. And once they can navigate easily on your website, you're really good to go, because once they come, they know a section of where they will go, and the people know where they will go. The primary school students know where they will go. The junior high school know where they will go, and the senior high school know where they will go for to get the information they want. So once that is done, you are good to go. So that's it, guys. I hope with this video we can set up your website for easy navigation. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you here next time. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video if it is helpful.